package. We have a package. So, let's get started with the unboxing. I'm opening this upside down so I don't reveal my address and stuff, so hopefully, hold on a second. Oh my god, they packed this pretty well. I am glad. Oh boy. Ow. That hurt. There we go. Okay. They packed this pretty well, so. Oh! Sparc SHD-TX2. Take down. Nope. There's it. Okay, so let's keep going with the unboxing. And we're going to test it too. Hopefully it came with the adapter, otherwise I'm going to use a factory adapter. Holy cow. This thing is actually pretty cool. Man, that's actually in good condition too. Check the battery compartment, and it could use some work, but it's pretty good. Any adapter? No. Well, it came with the manual. Came with the manual, as I call it. I don't know why I call it that. But let's get some AA rechargeables from over there, and let's put them in. Put these two in first. Okay, and we're going to power it on in 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait, hold on. That did not work. Oh, sounds bad. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it works. 10:10 a.m. Let's find my local. Oh, it's on AM. Tune to FM. Oh, 92.5. HD1. Let's tune to my local 107 station. HD1, that's nice. Okay, so we're gonna actually enter this. No, that's not working. Okay, we're gonna go to menu. Oh, emergency alerts are on. That's good. Okay, well, new Sparc SHD-TX2. Make sure the antenna can actually come out. There we go. Okay, pull the antenna up. That's actually a pretty decently sized antenna. Nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.